Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thanks for opportunity to us to present our paper with title Antibacterial Activity of Red Dragon Fruit Peel Yogurt Against Bacteria Bacillus subtilis. Why we choose this research for our paper? Because the bacterial infection is one of the health problems in Indonesia. And as we know, the pharmacological therapy using antibiotics is often chosen to overcome the problem of bacterial infection. And the antibiotics itself are components produced by microbes that can kill or inhibit the growth of other microbes. But we face the problem of the antibiotic that a rise of from antibiotic therapy is occurrence of resistance, so it becomes ineffective. Many researches to discover new bacterial compounds derived from natural ingredients can be one alternative solution to overcome the problem of antibiotic resistance. Is appropriate to our study with dragon fruit peel is a part of dragon fruit which has a weight of 35% of the weight of the fruit and has not been used optimally. And then the red dragon fruit peel contains polyphenol, alkaloids, terpenoids, flavonoids, saponin, tannin, carotenes, and phytoalbumin. The materials and methods that we used were the materials tested in the study were positive control of cecum hypercholesteremia with star rates originating from the treatment group given red dragon fruit peel yogurt at a dose of 1.8 milliliter, 2.7 milliliter, and 3.6 milliliter. Other materials needed in the study are aquades, nutrient agar, and chloramphenicol. For making red dragon fruit peel yogurt was modified based on research by our research. The Bacillus subtilis obtained from the microbiology laboratory of Center for Food and Nutrition Study in Gadjah Mada University. Testing using the method diffusion with Kerber and then the bacteria from the rejuvenation media were inoculated on nutrient agar, empty test sticks that have been soaked for 15 minutes in each cecum group on the surface of the nutrient agar hygienically. Empty discs are immersed in 10 milliliter of cecum from each group of hypercholesteremia. Media containing test sticks were incubated in an incubator at 37 Celsius from 24 hours, and then the diameter of the clear zone was formed using a vernier caliper. The positive control used in this study was chloramphenicol 0.5 milligram. And the analysis of this study is all numerical data were expressed as mean standard deviation of double measurements. And then for the bivariate analysis, we use ANOVA with significant differences less from 5%. And for the results, we explained by Mrs. Natalia Desi. The time is yours.
Thank you, Mrs. Madiana. Let me say this table is talk about the normality test for the K+, K1, K2, and K3. K+ is the group we use chloramphenicol, and then K1 we use the dragon fruit peel yogurt dose 1.8 millis. K2 we use the red dragon fruit peel dose 2.7 millis, and K3, we use the red dragon fruit peel yogurt dose 3.6 millis. In the normality, the all group have a normal test. This is the post hoc for our test. As we know, the group for K1 have significant differences with K2, but the others not have differences significant. So the positive control that we use chloramphenicol and dose 1.8 millis, dose 2.7 millis, and 3.6 millis were not differences. But if we the group of experiment with dose 1.8 millis show significant differences when compared to the group with dragon fruit peel yogurt with dose 2.7 millis. The dose was increased to 3.6 millis. It showed that were no significantly different result. The Bacillus subtilis is a gram-positive bacterium that have antibacterial sensitivity than gram-bacterial negative. The composition and structure of the cell walls of gram-positive bacteria are more susceptible to the chemical component than gram-negative bacteria. The process that we use make the yogurt can trigger the production process of proteolytic enzyme by lactic acid bacteria. This proteolytic enzyme can cut peptide bond in the milk protein, so the antibacterial effectiveness on the red dragon fruit because the component like polyphenol and then alkaloid, terpenoid, flavonoid, saponin, and tannin. Terpenoid have antibacterial activity by the mechanism of reacting with porin. Alkaloid have antibacterial activity by disrupting the peptidoglycan. And flavonoid working antibacterial by damaging bacterial cell membrane. And saponin can cause leakage in protein of enzyme. And tannin, so tannin can damage bacterial cell protein. Conclusion, our result, red dragon fruit peel yogurt has antibacterial activity in Bacillus subtilis. And our result did not use negative control and carried phytochemical tests. We would like to thank you to Faculty of Sport Science, Universitas Negeri Semarang for the budgeting.
Thank you, Mrs. Natalia Desi. That's all our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.